Hello, welcome everyone to this another iPad only video with iPad only co-authors, Michael Sliwinski.
And Augusto Pinaud. And in this video, we are going to be not talking great things about a product we thought was going to be our great solution. The reality is, I live in the United States and Michael lives in Europe. And when we envisioned writing this book, we knew that was going to be a constraint in the project. Okay, the fact that was not going to be easy to get together in a room, but actually we have not got together in a room, and we thought of using Google Docs for this project, and we therefore using Google Drive on the iPad to edit and work on the project and all that. And all that I can say is that it was a failed attempt. And for more than we wanted this to work and to be a great experience, I, it, it was, we talk about it. We put all the documents there. We work for a couple of days, meet again on FaceTime, and it was an, an agreement of we need to get rid of this application just to continue working on this book. So that was quite funny, if you ask me.
Yeah, the thing is that what we thought because Google Drive application, which has improved significantly over the last year, I have to say, and I still use it for some purposes, especially with some collaboration with my team as well. Has this great feature that you can actually see what the other person is typing and where is actually their cursor. So when you open the same document, you can see that somebody else opened it and somebody else is editing it. So we thought it's brilliant, right? For our collaboration, it's just brilliant. But the thing is that most of the time we are not typing on the same document, and then even because of our distance, we can actually agree that I can type on this document, you can type on the other one, and so we don't need this feature all that much. And the trade-off was that we would type somewhere where we just hated to type. I mean, it's just unbearable to type over there. It's slow, it's clunky, it's ugly, it's slow again. And then again, it's slow. Okay, I've already said it three times. Anyway, bad experience. So first we thought for writing the book, we'll move from Google Drive to Byword and to Dropbox. We'll just share a folder to Dropbox, and in Byword we just write. And I write my text files, Augusto writes his text files, and we should be fine. And then we had this brilliant idea after we have written the initial draft. Let's move it back to the Google Drive and edit it together in the Google Drive, right?
And that's where everything went south. And we did this, I think it was for less than 48 hours. And at 48 hours, we met and said, please, let's go back to Byword and Dropbox. And then what we did is we simply, since collaboration at the same time was not an option, then we went and say, well, I'm going to be working on this chapter. You are out of bounds until that happened. And we used a great collaboration feature in Nozbe to accomplish that. And it really saved the collaboration part of the project on something that was much simpler, and it worked pretty well.
Yeah, the thing is that what we did, we basically added tasks to Nozbe. That, like, for example, added a task working on chapter 3. And we can comment, on the task in Nozbe, but until I close this task as done, Augusto knows that he should not be touching the chapter 3. He can take the other chapters, but I'm in the chapter 3. And the same goes for all the other chapters. This way, we were using our favorite, Byword application to edit and to write, which is just, place where we live. And we use Dropbox. And of course, Dropbox has versioning. So in Dropbox, you can actually check the versions of the files. So it's not a big deal that we lose something or we delete something we want to get back. Of course, it's not as user-friendly as in Google Docs, But then again, Google Docs is so slow and so clunky that we actually dropped it altogether. So we can recommend Google Docs for some kind of collaboration, but actually not that much.
And with this, well, hopefully your experience using Google Drive is much better than the one we had. But if not, Byword and Dropbox will come to save your day without any doubt. So this is another video of our iPad Only book. And thank you very much.
Thank you.